we'll guide you through how to adjust background music on Descript. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many beginners using Descript want an easy way to add background music without complicated editing skills. They need clear, step-by-step guidance to improve their videos, balance audio levels, and create more engaging content for platforms like YouTube, social media, or presentations. To begin adding background music to your video using Descript, first open your web browser by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer, then select Google Chrome or any browser you prefer to use. After the browser opens, click on the search bar, type Descript.com, and press Enter on your keyboard to access the official website. Once the website loads completely, find and click the Get Started for Free button displayed on the screen. You will then be prompted to log in. So select Continue with Google, choose your email account, and click Continue to sign in instantly. After successfully entering the dashboard, move your cursor to the top right corner, click New Project, and then select Video Project to create a new editing workspace. Next, click Upload File. Choose your image or video file from your computer and click Open to load it into Descript. Once your file appears in the timeline, move to the right side panel and click Media to access available resources. At this stage, you can add background music either from your own media files or from Descript's built-in stock library. For example, click Stock, then select the audio icon to explore a variety of music options. Browse through the available background tracks carefully, and when you find one that fits your video, click, hold, and drag the selected track into the timeline. After placing the music, adjust its position by moving it under your main timeline so it aligns properly with your video content. Then, click on the music track to select it. If you want to enhance the sound further, click the icon next to Audio Effects, choose Dynamics, and then select Compressor to improve audio balance. Once all editing is complete, click Export in the top right corner of the screen. Select Destination and choose Local Export as your output option. Scroll down and click Export. Then click Save to store the final file on your computer. Then open your file to make sure the editing was successful.